Good day. I am your demonstration teacher for today. I am Mr. Laurence Termulo, taking up Master of Arts in Education, major in English. And I will be demonstrating to you a certain lesson that has a competency of using appropriate modifiers. This day, I am going to present 5 pictures as an initial task, whereas you are about to describe each of the picture. This one. How can we describe this picture? Anybody? Okay. A small red suitcase. Second picture. Okay. How can we describe that picture? Okay. This is the lovely old ceramic mat. The third picture. How can we describe the third picture? Okay. An ugly wooden chair. How about the fourth picture or the fourth illustration? So, the fourth illustration is the new blue silk t-shirt. And lastly, how can we describe that picture? That is a wonderful old French clock. So, I'd like to ask, how do we classify those words that we have given a while ago? That is classified as adjectives. Okay, so how can we describe adjectives? Adjectives is a part of a speech that modifies noun, verb, or adverb. And so, I'd like to ask also, can we describe a noun with 2 or more adjectives? Yes, it is very evident in our activity earlier. So this day, we are going to have 9 stations. So these 9 stations are known as nosascom, actually. Number or determiner or article for the first stage or what do you call that? Station. Second, opinion. Third station, size. Fourth station, age. Fifth station, shape. Sixth, color. Seventh, origin. Second to the last station, material. And last station is the purpose. We are going to clarify and enlighten each one of you with regard to this particular order of adjectives. So, what do we mean by determiner and what are the examples of it? And so on and so forth. Okay? So, let's have now. Determiner, number, or article. It describes the number of noun. For example, in the article, we have a, an, and the, including also the determiner, this, that, those, or the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. How about the opinion? It describes our judgment of a particular noun. Example, beautiful, horrible, ugly, fantastic. What about size? It describes how big or small something is. Example, huge, tiny, long, tall. Age, it describes how old or young something is. Examples, old, new, young, ancient, and antique. What about shape? It describes the shape of a particular object or noun. Examples, circular, square, triangular. What about color? It describes the color of something. For examples, black, red, pink, and blue. What about origin? It describes what the noun is from. Examples, Chinese, Italian, American, African, or we can also include Filipino. Next is material. It describes what the noun is made of. Examples, wooden, leather, plastic, metallic. And last but not the least, the purpose. It describes where the noun is used for. For examples, fishing, cooking, sleeping, or sports. It doesn't necessarily that we are going to include all of this order of adjectives in a particular description. Okay, so what we need to take note of is that we're going to arrange it in order or properly. So let's have an activity. This is entitled Arrange and Place. What we need to do is to arrange the jumbled adjectives on the board. Number 1, my friend gave me a silk blue soft scarf. So what we need to arrange here is a silk blue or soft, blue and soft. So the correct order is that soft, blue, and silk. So we have started with the opinion, soft, the color, blue, and the material, silk. What about number 2? I found a rectangular small wooden box in my sister's room. What we need to arrange here is rectangular small wooden. So what's the correct order of adjectives here? That should be size, shape, material. I found a small rectangular wooden box in my sister's room. What about number 3? I met a Vietnamese young funny girl last week. So we have to arrange it in a particular order like opinion, age, and origin, such as funny, young, Vietnamese. 4. My classmate gave me 10 small orange Chinese slimming pills. So the correct order of adjective here is number 10. Size, small, color, orange, origin, Chinese, and then the purpose is slimming. Number 5, Mom accidentally broke my beautiful old ceramic pink mug. So the correct order of adjectives here is beautiful for the opinion, old for the age, pink for the color, and ceramic for the material. So now, we will be having group activity. So to further enhance your skills in using appropriate modifiers, so group activity, for our group activity, you will be having differentiated tasks. For group number 1, you are about to place all the necessary or all the modifiers given in this particular 9 stations. So, for the number 1, table and describe. Okay? And number 2, group number 2, we're going to construct 5 sentences out of the given pictures in the envelope. I'll be giving you envelopes later. So, the pictures inside the envelope are like this one. This one for the education, for the business, for the health, for the cleanliness, and for being nationalistic. We're going to construct 5 descriptive sentences per picture with correct order of adjectives. And for group number 3, we're going to present a song that contains correct order of adjectives. For group number 4, we're going to present a simple commercial that promotes our school, Dasmariñas East Integrated High School. We're going to observe correct order of adjectives. Collaborate with your group mates. And group number 5, make 5 descriptive sentences about the term English. Use correct order of adjectives also. So, let us wait for the others. Okay, so before we end up this session, we are going to arrange the adjectives in each sentence. So in order for us to assess if you have attained the appropriate competency. Number 1, they went on holiday to blank. So what should be? Okay, later. Number 2, he has blank, silver, old, beautiful, A, ring. Number 3, he saw blank, French, writing, old, and desk. Number 4, we ate blank, green, English, run, some apples. And number 5, he has blank, a lot of old, interesting books. So now let us check your answers. Number 1, they went on holiday to a beautiful, okay, A, article, beautiful, opinion, small, size, wooden, material, then cabin is the noun. Number 2, he has a beautiful old silver ring. A, article, beautiful, opinion, old, uh, what age, silver, color, then ring, noun. Number 3, he saw an old French writing desk. An article, old. This is, okay, opinion, French, origin, writing, purpose. Then the word desk is the noun. Number 4, we ate some round green English apples. Some, number, round, shape, then green, color, English, okay, origin, then apples is the one being modified. Number 5, he has a lot of interesting old books. A, okay, article, lot of, that is number also, a lot of. Interesting, that is opinion, old, age, then books is the noun. Question. None? If you don't have any question, so here's your assignment. You're going to make a journalistic writing about the importance of orders of adjective or order of adjectives. Do this on your English notebook. So, if there's no clarification, violent reaction, that's all for today. Goodbye, everybody.